Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Now we can get to it.
All right.
It- um,
Okay, let me pull up the assignment. Are we able to edit the assignment as we go through it if we see that something's like wrong?
um,
I think I read that. I'm not 100% sure though.
I think we give the corrections in the because it says give any correction. Hold on. Give a list of any corrections you've made with a full explanation and the slide number. Please make sure to not write a big paragraph. Okay. Oh my God. A part of me feels like she's like trying to be super clear on it and then it ends up being confusing. Is that
Yeah.
okay?
He writes so much.
Yeah.
I hate reading.
I'm like you're trying to literally like obtain information. Um, okay. Okay, there's supposed to be a text box below. Is that the submit assignment button? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's happening? Write in the name of our partner. Okay. Give a list of any.
Oh, you're there.
How do I even access what I've done? Hold on, let me look. Sorry, I have like a weird, like sissy dry cough going on. So, um,
Okay.
hold on. Where do I look at my? Like, how do I look at my? Oh wait, ignore me. I'm not even on the right one. Sorry, hold on. I can't even think. Here we go. Okay, we're up and going.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to write y'all's names in this thing. And then give a list of corrections with an explanation. Answer the questions. Okay, let's just go through, I guess, just getting through all the questions
Okay.
for the sentences, sorry.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so the first sentence, like enzymes are protein-based substances that are essential for, oh, those two, the first two she like gave to us.
Yeah.
So I just copied and pasted that.
Right.
Okay, so the third one,
Hold on. I'm getting there. Hold on.
okay,
Hold on. I'm pulling it up.
good. No, please
Um,
interrupt.
okay. Okay. The enzymes are protein based. That was the first one.
Yeah, that one
Okay.
and the next one that in the digestive system, she gave those to us. Like in the explanation of this project or this assignment.
Yeah.
So our first one on our own is enzymes assist with digestion by breaking apart the bonds that hold nutrients together. I said that was all green.
I said it was green too.
Um,
Okay.
wait. It ends in including digestion.
Um, it's the sentences enzymes assist with digestion
Okay.
breaking apart the bonds.
Yes. I
Okay.
put green for that too.
Okay.
Okay.
The next one, once the bonds are broken, tiny molecules can pass into the bloodstream where they're used as energy. I said green.
I said green too.
Okay,
I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but I like highlighted a word red.
which one?
So for the first one, I highlighted bonds.
Okay.
Okay. Why?
Are you gonna
Hold
give
on,
an
hold on.
explanation?
I'm reading. Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay,
I'm reading
okay.
my explanation. Hold on. I don't even know if I'm right.
That's so funny.
We're all just waiting.
No, no, no. You know what? We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Okay. Okay. And then the next one, you got green for the next one, the one we just said, once the bonds are broken, tiny molecules. Okay. And
Yep.
then the next one, a lack of enzymes may result in impaired digestion and a decrease in overall health. I said all green.
I said yellow because I couldn't find anything to back it up from the modules
Okay.
in the lecture video. I mean, I have a feeling it's probably true if I searched it up, but I
Yeah,
didn't know if we were allowed to use like Google.
we
We
had,
were able to use other sites. We could have used like journals or articles, I mean, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So I said green just because in like module tool 2, part A, slide 17, um, she was saying how like the enzyme lactase can cause lactose intolerance. And then so that's like the impaired digestion. And then um there could be a decline in health due to like nutrition deficiencies
Mhm.
over time. So that's why I said it was all green. Because like, I don't know, it can't like I feel like you know what I mean? If you're not getting certain like food groups, which she talks about a lot,
Yeah.
then like you could be lacking nutrients like that food group gives, especially if you like can't digest it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I put, but
Wait, I think I put yellow for that one too.
okay.
Yeah, I did. I did. I did.
Okay.
Okay. The next one was the one she gave us, right?
The next one I have is in addition to the natural enzymes produced by your body, enzymes are normally present in raw foods to assist with digestion.
Yep, that was yellow.
Okay. Did you write anything or did you just put yellow?
Just yellow.
Okay. Elizabeth, did you put anything?
I put it was green because when she said like in the modules that there are stuff like in the foods and then it kind of like gets rid of it as you like cook them. I said that there was already like some in there because they are like normally present in the foods raw, but then you kind of alter them when they cook.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
I said it was green.
I said I looked this one up online. Like WebMD had like something about it and it said many foods like carry enzymes like raw honey has amylase and protease. Papaya has protease, mangoes and bananas have amylase. So
Hmm.
I don't know, they and obviously those like help with digestion, so that's why I said yes. Um, so yeah, I feel like
Nice.
we're all correct in our own viewpoint of the, you know what I mean, like how we
Yeah,
look.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. The next one, however, many foods today are depleted of their natural enzymes as a result of cooking and processing. I put I put red for as a result of cooking. I left processing green because
Okay.
I feel like a lot of like I feel like it's like a common knowledge to know that like our foods are not like as nutrient dense as they were in the past.
Hmm.
But the reason why I put red is because on slide 28, like on the lecture video, she said that proteins, like the proteins are denatured, but
That's
it's
exactly what I wrote.
well,
That's crazy.
yeah, from the from the nutritional value. So that's what I put for that one.
I highlighted it all green. Same
Okay.
part slide 28, I mean. I
Yeah.
said that basically what you said, that there are multiple factors that could denature protein, such as cooking.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
The next one, likewise, the body's ability to produce its own enzymes decreases with age. I put green.
I put green too.
Okay.
I put green, but I highlighted red decreases.
Okay.
On slide 17, it stated that for a healthy person, well, I guess with it, well, I guess, okay, yeah. So for a healthy person, it just stays consistent throughout life. That's what I put.
Okay. Yeah, I said they pretty much stay the same. So there could be like slight, but it's both green.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the next one. Without the essential enzymes necessary for proper digestion, the body may not be able to efficiently break down the food we eat and absorb its valuable nutrients. I said green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Um okay. I just like I don't know. I'm unsure of every one that I did. Okay, next one. If you experience symptoms such as heartburn, gas and bloating, or fatigue after eating, it's likely you have too few enzymes to properly digest the food you eat. I put red for such as heartburn, and then I put yellow for the whole rest of it because I highlighted the heartburn as red because on slide 24 it said well, this is the only reason why I brought it up is because I don't know if you guys remember, she was talking about pregnancy, and then she was saying how like the hormones that are like given off in pregnancy cause like the relaxation of like that what sphincter of the stomach
Okay.
that cause stuff to be like cause heartburn.
Hmm.
But I literally had it yellow because I was like, I don't know.
My entire thing is yellow.
Okay. And
Yeah,
then
I put yellow as well. This is my last yellow, so I can't say yellow anymore.
okay. Yeah, and then the other thing I said was because it's saying if you experiencing these, like it means that you have enzymes, like it means you have too few. But in slide 9, she said something about like sometimes headaches can be caused by like a low fiber diet. Like it doesn't necessarily mean enzymes. It just means like maybe you're not getting nutrients. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the statement's kind of saying like it's most likely enzymes, and I just like don't think you can just like bank on that.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't know. Okay, the next one I highlighted all red. I said a good digestive enzyme will contain a variety of enzymes to help digest all types of nutrients, including fats, starches, dairy, and plant and vegetable material, and sugar. And so I highlighted red because one, I kind of didn't know, but I
Mhm.
said that slide 17 states our bodies make enzymes in response to what we've eaten. So like lactase digests lactose, sugar, or the sugar in dairy. And
Okay,
then
that's why I highlighted it green because on slide 29, it shows that there are different types of enzymes for like different nutrients and like the protease for protein and the lactase for lactate.
yeah. Okay,
So,
maybe I read it because it sound when I was reading it, I think I in my brain it sounded like it was saying that one enzyme needs to like be able to do it all. And in my head,
Mm.
it's like, wait, that's not a thing. So I think I just read the sentence wrong.
Yeah, I put green for this one as well.
Okay.
I saw basically I think what you saw, but on slide 25 it stated that enzymes do help digest. They just don't digest carbs. That's what I saw on the slide, and it didn't talk about carbs in the sentence. So that's why I was like, oh, okay.
Okay. Like I think my brain is just confused because it says a good digestive enzyme, like as in one, will contain a variety of enzymes. Does that make sense? Like it's making it seem like one enzyme has a bunch of enzymes in it
Yeah.
that can do all. So that's why I was like, that's not right.
Hmm.
We're all saying the same thing. Like about like that the body has different enzymes to digest. You know what I mean?
yeah.
So maybe
Yeah.
say it could like, I'll just probably say, I'll switch it yellow, or I'll switch it green and then explain why I had it red initially.
Okay.
Yeah, and explain your reasoning too for why it's green now, I
Okay.
think. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let me do this. Okay. Alrighty, I'll do that one later. Next one, each nutrient type is digested best by specific enzymes that are designed to break down that suit certain nutrient. I think we all did this green and then literally the explanation of what we had before,
Yes.
like
Yeah.
lactose, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I accidentally I combined the two sentences on accident. Dang.
Oh, I think it's the same because if they're both with, they were
Yeah,
both.
that's what I thought. I read it. I was like, wait. It's like, yeah, okay.
Looks good to me. Okay, next one. For example, dairy products require the enzyme lactase to digest them, while protein requires protease for proper digestion. That kind of seems like all one sentence, the last three together
Yeah.
almost.
They're all the same, like general idea.
What? Yeah. So I said green.
Yeah.
Yeah. I put green for both too.
Yeah. Okay, the next one is the ideal digestive enzyme supplement will contain plant-based enzymes. That one's the next.
I put green for that, but I had to look up something online. I found an article.
Yeah, I think I forgot to highlight the rest of it green. The only part I did red was literally the ideal
Okay. Yeah.
because
That's where
in the
yeah.
example she had in the explanation, she like it that seems like opinionated to me, so that's why I just said
Mm,
that's why I did it red. It's because she seemed like before or in the because it said the first sentence she gave us, the enzymes are protein-based substances that are essential for every function in the human body.
Mm-hmm.
Like they probably are, but the fact that it says every and then there was no like bullet point that said every, I feel like she wouldn't think that's legit, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. I made it red too.
Okay. But the rest of it, I think is green because I found something on the psych website and it was saying like protease, amylase, lipase are the three most common plant-based enzymes. And like I don't know. But then later it says that, which is kind of separate. It's not super answering the same thing, but it said that they don't know all the nutrients yet, or they're not able to put all the nutrients into a pill or powder because there's uncertainty on how all the molecules will work together.
Okay.
So that's why I'm like questioning the supplement part. I don't know.
For the supplement part, I said that the digestive system can extract more nutrients from foods than the supplements in general. So it'd be better to eat normal food than like try to take it from supplements.
Okay. Okay, yeah. I'll add that. So you had your what color did you do your stuff
I did red.
for the whole thing?
Yeah, because and then her like slides, it states like the more nutrients are from the foods and from the supplements.
You know, do you have a slide number so I can like say that?
Yeah, it says slide 12.
On the module 2 part A?
Yeah, module 2, part A. Yes.
what was your reasoning again for that?
I said that the digestive system can extract more nutrients from foods, from like natural foods, than supplements in general.
Okay.
Wait, the digestive system what?
Can extract more nutrients from natural foods than supplements.
Nice. Nice.
Next one. I have three colors in this one. Whoops. Okay, such enzymes are already activated when they enter the system and begin to work in the stomach and they continue to function throughout the body over a broad pH range, typically 2 to 14. I highlighted red. Such enzymes are already activated when they enter the system. I think I was a little confused by this because you know
Mhm.
how slide 27 talks about that the lingual lipase and salivary amylase denature, like in the saliva. They denature and deactivate, and then later, like the gastric lipase and pepsin activate. So I was like, I don't really like there was nothing in the slides that talked about things already being activated, so that's why I said it red,
Okay.
because then they get activated like in the stomach.
I think the begin to work in the stomach is red because the digestion begins in the mouth, and that's like when they start um like through chewing and then through like your saliva. I made
Hmm.
that red.
Okay, I see where you're going there. Okay,
I made that part green just because on slide 17 I read that the enzymes work more efficiently in the stomach. But you're right, it doesn't talk about beginning to work in the stomach.
Okay. Okay. I feel like going over these, it's so like not like black and white, you know?
Yeah.
Like if you all look at it, I guess that's like why she wants us to work together on this because everyone has like a different like perspective on it. But
Yeah.
okay, did you guys highlight green for they continue to function through the body? Like
Yeah.
this broad pH range. I just left that yellow because I didn't know.
Mm, I think the function through the body is green. The broad pH just I just looked it up for like when like a few down it's gonna talk about dairy and that range. So
Okay, that's the only thing I looked up too for the dairy
yeah.
because I was like, I didn't know this one. Okay, so they
Jillian, what was your first reasoning for the red on the first sentence?
So, yeah, so it said such enzymes are already activated when they enter the system. In the
Yes.
slide, she didn't talk about anything activated, but on slide 27, she was talking about how lingual lipase and salivary amylase denature and deactivate, I believe, in the mouth. But then, like the gastric lipase and the pepsin activate in the stomach.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I said it was wrong because we just didn't go over anything that talked about like the activated enzymes, like
Okay.
in like active entering.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Um, okay. Are we all good on that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one, pH refers to the acid level required to break down a particular type of nutrient. I said red. If you guys didn't say red, let me know why. Because the EPA, like the Environmental Protection Agency, just says that pH is how acidic or basic a substance is, but I don't remember us talking about like pH, like meaning it's the acid level required. You know what I mean? Like pH is just like how acidic it is. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, I literally looked up like what is pH, and then the EPA website is what it said, and then it like I literally just took that answer.
What did you say it was?
I just said the EPA states that pH is how acidic or basic a substance is.
Nice.
Yeah, and then let me know when you guys are done so we can move on to the next one.
I'm good.
I'm good too.
Okay. Next one. For example, dairy breaks down in a pH range of 6.0 to 6.8. I highlighted the literal six number, and
Mhm.
before that green, and then everything else was red. Because according to whatever website I looked at, it said that like the range of dairy is 6.5 to 6.9, roughly. Because like dairy is not going to go into 8. That means it's like getting into like basic, and dairy is not basic, you know?
Uh-huh.
So that's what I said.
Yeah, I took that from online from Hannah Instruments UK.
Cute. I love that. Ruben, are you good on that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next one. Plant-based enzymes work efficiently in the body, breaking down and cleaning up undigested food in the digestive tract. I highlighted that red. What'd you guys do?
I highlighted it green just because she says in slide 12 that they do work and they could be known as like photochemicals and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. You said slide 12?
Yeah.
Okay, so you said like, so the explanation is what?
I just said that they do work and they could be seen as like photochemicals or um what is it? Or they're kind of like supplements to that, like going back to like the earlier question sentence.
Mhm. Okay, I said red because I saw it says in slide 34, it states bacteria assists with the final digestion and breakdown of fiber.
Okay.
And then the large intestine's function is to store undigested food material. So that's why I said red, because it just said bacteria assists with the final digestion. Not, it didn't mention anything on, at least on that slide, about anything else, but I'll have to look at slide 12 and see what that says.
What slide was yours on?
34.
Okay.
So Elizabeth, did you highlight you highlighted the whole thing green?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then for the last one, I did yellow and I just didn't even write anything. For this reason, plant-based enzymes are the best choice for those suffering from impaired digestion and as a preventative measure to ensure complete digestion. I don't feel like that was talked about in the lecture, and then I didn't even know how to look that up.
I made
You know?
it red
Okay.
because um I feel like best choice may not be like the correct term for it because the best choice would be from natural foods and natural nutrients that you can eat on your own.
Okay.
And the plant-based enzymes, I'm assuming those are like supplements that they're talking about, and they just might not have the necessary nutrients for it to be the best choice for people suffering from impaired digestion.
Hmm.
Nice.
Do you have a slide number for the like natural foods are better?
Yeah, it's slide 12. On like the slide 12, it states that the digestive system can extract nutrients more efficiently from foods than supplements for most nutrients.
Okay.
And that just like put there.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me make sure that.
Wait, this meeting is gonna end in 8 minutes.
Oh no.
Well, I think we're almost done. We're done.
We're done with that, but is there something else that we have to talk about?
It's just like a quick, it's like Let me see.
Wait, real quick, can you guys go back to like it's like the fourth sentence from that? A lack of enzymes may result in impaired digestion. It's at the top.
Oh, enzymes assist with digestion by breaking apart the bonds, or a lack of enzymes may result in impaired
Yeah,
digestion.
yeah, yeah. What did you guys put red?
We put green. I put green.
Yeah, we put green.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's slide 17 in the lecture video. That's just talking about how a lack of lactase can cause lactose intolerance, which is impaired digestion. And then there could be like a decline in health due to nutrition deficiencies. If like someone's not able to like digest certain food groups, then they might not get the nutrients from that food group.
Uh-huh. Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
All right, we can move on now.
Okay, so what's next is we have to answer these questions. It says, aside from the logistics of ChatGPT being available whenever you want and you having to work with your partner's schedule, how did reviewing the information with your partner compare doing a review with AI? If you do not complete the AI assignment, share the experience of reviewing the information with a partner over Zoom. Did you guys use chat? Were we supposed to, was
I
that?
didn't I didn't know. I did not compare it or use it.
Yeah, were we supposed to? I don't think
I
so.
don't think so.
I didn't see anything about it, so
Okay, so I mean, I'll probably just say, I mean, I guess we can compare it to how, that assignment, I don't know if it was last week or the week before that we did about like arguing with your friend.
oh, the
Yeah, that's
debate.
what I'm thinking she's talking about.
Okay. I honestly hated that. It was just a note, like, I feel like the response I got was just so like, it wouldn't even like reply to the information I gave. It was just like finding one thing I said and then like trying to just like give a blanket statement and argue it. And so I just don't feel like it wasn't giving me anything, you know?
Okay.
Yeah,
But I feel like this is obviously better. Like we can interact and then
I agree.
so
Yes.
I feel like that's simple.
I did also
Um,
like ChatGPT though. They did not go easy on us.
correct.
It
Thing was,
kept coming back.
What do you say?
It kept coming back at me. I was
yeah, yeah,
like, no
Yeah.
matter how much I lay out for you,
yeah.
it
Yeah.
still will make a rebuttal.
I
Oh,
feel like that's what made it like kind of fun, I guess.
yeah.
Arguing with
But
a computer, with a
other
number
than that, it
computer.
did get kind of annoying, like having freaking ChatGPT talk back to you, you know,
Yeah.
and win every debate.
Mhm. Okay, next one. While it's not expected you analyze every single piece of info, what's your biggest takeaway from this assignment? Don't focus on whether you enjoyed it. Approach from a scholarly perspective. As a member of society who relies on nutrition to make an informed choices, what did you take away from the assignment? Uh, I don't know. I feel like it's all in the eye of the beholder, how you're looking at things.
Yeah. I feel like
Mhm.
most of it was pretty green.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
always going to be something someone's iffy about because they just don't know a lot about the certain topic, but I feel like it wasn't too bad if I were to go give this to someone and be like, this is all mostly factual statements.
Yeah. I,
Yeah, I like reviewing the last part, kind of like where it talked about pH.
yeah.
I like looking into that stuff. That was pretty fun.
Mhm. Okay, next one's a fill in the blank. It says, a healthy person does not, wait, a healthy person would not, that's a typo, benefit, oh, whatever. Does not benefit from digestive enzyme supplements because their body will blank blank of it based on what they consume. And many will make enzymes of it based on what they consume, I'm pretty sure. And many digestive enzymes would be denatured in a matter of minutes once they interact with the stomach acid. Does that make sense? So a healthy person would not benefit from digestive enzyme supplements because their body will make enzymes of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it has the M in a blank and then an E in a blank. So, okay, I feel like that's it. Okay,
Okay. That was it. Holy.
yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's recording. Any other like questions about the sentences and stuff we did? Like, does everyone have like the slides and the explanations for each one? I know
Yeah.
we only have like 2 minutes, but
Yeah,
We'll
I
get
think
this.
I'm good.
okay, great. Well, hopefully we get to work with each other again. I can't,
Yeah.
we have more stuff, more stuff to do for this week.
Yeah.
Oh, don't you just love it?
Yeah, there's a lot of busy work that goes into this, but it's
There
fine.
is.
What are you gonna do? All right, well, it was a pleasure. Obviously, if we need anything else, we'll just email.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, okay, let me stop the recording. Hold on. Just so I like am,
Yeah.
okay, stop recording.